Hi, I'm Rafi Anwar, Senior Manager of Product Management here at Lifesize. Today I'm here with Ryan Stuczynski for the Lifesize LRS1000 from Microsoft Lync. Ryan, why don't you tell us a little bit about the new LRS1000 for Microsoft Lync?
Great, thanks Rafi. One of the first things you'll notice about the LRS1000 when you walk into the meeting room is you see a calendar of the scheduled meetings here on the touch control console and also on the large front of room display. So when it comes to joining a meeting, all you need to do is find the meeting that you want to join, currently highlighted in blue for the time of day, and then go ahead and touch. That will initiate the system to join the scheduled meeting.
That was really easy to start a call, Ryan. Now that we're in a call, can you show us some of the things that you can do?
Sure, Rafi. You'll notice that here on the control console, the in-meeting screen has now appeared. And you can see in the participant section, Amanda and Nancy, who are part of the video participants at the front of the room, are now also on screen. I have control over some participants. I could mute all in the entire audience in case I want them to be muted. And if you forget to invite someone to the meeting, you can even invite them.
We actually forgot Fred.
Well, it's as simple as touching invite and then typing Fred's name. And it searches the directory and finds Fred, and there he is. Now Fred has just received an invite to this meeting on his Lync client on his laptop. All we have to do is wait for Fred to join. Let's hope he's paying attention. And there's Fred now. So great, we have all our participants here at the meeting, so we can get started. One of the main uses of Lync is collaboration. So let's go ahead and start a whiteboarding session. I can do that either here at the control console or by going to the front of room display. Let's go ahead and move to the content section of the control console, and then I can hit New Whiteboard. You'll see now on the front of room display that one of the displays becomes dedicated to whiteboarding, and the video participants all move over to the side. One thing I'd like to do is I would like to have the participants in bigger view. So I'm going to turn off my self view. Now we have our participants nice and big on video, and we're ready to start whiteboarding. And I can simply go up to the front of room display and start using the whiteboarding. I can use the on-screen controls to select the pen color that I want, in this case dark blue. And I'm going to plan setting up LRS1000 in a conference room. So let's draw the outline of the conference room here. And then we'll say, well, the conference table is going to sit in the middle of the room, like this. And this is a fairly large conference room, so we'll probably want to use two front of room touch displays. Those touch displays will be located at the front of the room here and here. And then on the conference room table, we'll have two devices. We have our control console that can move around the table, and we have our stereo mic, which sits here at the head of the table to capture everyone in the meeting in stereo audio.
So Ryan, can we all collaborate on this one document?
Yeah, definitely. Participants on their laptops will see the whiteboarding I just drew, and also remote participants can also add to the whiteboard.
Great. And so after Amanda goes and makes some modifications, can I actually get a copy of this? I'd like to print this out.
Yeah, it's really easy to do.
Oh, I see. I can email the whiteboard from here. Just press email whiteboard. I see I can change the names, and there it is. I just press send. Ryan, the whiteboarding was great. But what about if I want to just share my presentation from my laptop?
Yeah, definitely. You can absolutely do that, Rafi. For example, Amanda just started a presentation sharing from her computer, and we can see it here on the front of room display.
Great. Do I need to be in a call to do this, or could I just do this locally with people in the room?
You don't need to be in a call. You can walk into a meeting room that has an LRS1000 and start sharing presentations or have a whiteboarding session on the front of room display.
Thanks for that, Ryan. Now let's take a look at some of the more advanced capabilities.
Here we can have a closer look at the control console. You'll see along the bottom is the features that you'll consistently need during the meeting. Things like stop video, hold call, mute the room microphone, speaker off, room volume, dial pad if you want to make a phone call, new whiteboard and email whiteboard, which we used before, and then leave the meeting.
That's great, Ryan. I also see that I can change the layouts it looks here just by pressing, oh, look at that. And I can see all my participants on the screen.
Right, and if you just want to focus on the active talker, you can set so only the active talker appears on the screen.
That's great. Okay, what else can we do here?
Well, everyone knows that IM is one of the most important features of Lync. So here, by touching on IM, I can bring up the IM window and I can see what people are chatting about during the meeting. This is particularly important if someone has a question. I can simply glance down at the control console and see what their question might be.
Thank you, Ryan, for showing us the new LRS1000. And thank you, demo team.
My pleasure, Rafi.
The Lifesize LRS1000, the full Lync experience for the conference room.